Okay, gang. So I heard that there was some questions about how to find the length, the L and S size of your egg. So this video is a way to show you how to do that. So let's think about your egg. All right. So when we think about an egg, and if you've already started this and put your eggs in your vinegar, it's fine. All your eggs should have relatively the same volume. So if you do these beginning measurements with the egg that was not in the jar, one that was already in the carton, that's fine. It shouldn't make that huge of a difference. So let's chat. So let's say you got your egg. Okay. So remember, here's my egg. Okay. Now, the first step asked you to measure the radius. And we know that the radius is the point from the center to one edge, right? Well, you can't do it from one edge. So they asked you to put a dot where you began measuring using a pencil on your egg, and then you measured the egg all the way around. All right. So this was to find R. Then once you found this, you used a piece of string, right? You used a piece of string and you measured it. Then you measured it against the ruler. And that's how you got, and divided it by 2, and that's how you got R. Okay? Now, the second part of that says to you that now you are going to measure from one end to the other. All right? So here's my dot. Now, remember, eggs are asymmetrical, okay? So that little fat part, because you're measuring when you did the distance around, that little fat part is not going to be directly necessarily in the center of the egg. So when you do your little dot, now you're going to measure from the dot in both directions, okay? So you're going to measure from the short end. You take your piece of string and you measure from one end of the egg to the from the dot to the bottom of the egg. That's going to be your S length, okay? Then you measure from your dot to the top of the egg. That'll be your L length. And then you take that along with your R, here's R, and that's what you plug into your equation when it's time to find volume. 4/3 pi times R squared times L plus S. I'm pretty sure that's how it is. All right. So hopefully this will explain, because you're going to do this time and time again. So hopefully this will explain how to calculate the volume or find the numbers for the volume of your